Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a homemade lava lamp with easy equipment that could be found in every house, I believe. So we are going to need a container or a jar, any container that's found in the house. I took the Nutella jar, baking powder and oil and food coloring. I picked green and red. You could choose only one color, but I took two colors to make it more cooler. And I took 2 cups of vinegar and spoons to mix our ingredients. So first we're going to start up with the baking powder. We'll add up about 2 to 3 tablespoons in the container. After I add it, we could add more. I'm going to add more. After adding the baking powder, I'm going to add the oil. More than half of the container. Then I have here 2 vinegar. I'm going to add the food coloring to the vinegar. Mix it up. And then add the vinegars to our solution here. As you can see, it started reacting. See? Here is a closer view, and you could add a flashlight underneath it to make it look much cooler.
Good day everyone, my name is Afique from 10D, and today I will be showcasing activities that involve heat transfer. To showcase this, I will be boiling instant noodles, Maggi, and for the ingredients I will be using 2 packets of Maggi ayam, and other ingredients I will use some chili, a head chop, and also some eggs. So the first step is to boil the water about 1 liter. So before it starts boiling, I add some seasoning inside. And fast forward, you can see there's a bit of movement going on. That is boiling happening, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a bit of water vapor being released from it. While I was waiting, I cut some mushroom also because I had time. So if we fast forward again, we can see the water is starting to boil. It's more obvious now. That means the stove, which is the environment, the surrounding, is providing heat to the system, which is the ingredients inside of the pan, the water, the yeah. So now I add some chili. So according to the first law of thermodynamics, a reaction or process in which heat is transferred from a system to its surrounding is exothermic. So in this case, the surrounding, which is the stove and the pan, is providing heat to the system, which is the water and the other ingredients, the noodle, the mushroom, the eggs. So that is the system. So heat transfer from surrounding to system is an endothermic process. So as we can see, the water is being boiled even more obvious. It is apparent that the heat transfer is now apparent. That is all. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, so today I will be conducting experiment that somehow will show us about heat transfer. So as you guys can see, here is water dispenser that can dispense hot water, the normal water that we use to drink, and the cold water. So now let's dispense one by one. So this is hot water. Careful, it is very hot. As you guys can see, there is vapor coming from the water. It is hot. Next, the normal water. Yeah, just like regular water that we used to drink, right? And lastly, the cold water. As you guys can see, I don't think it is seen here, but if we touch the bottom or the glass itself, we can feel cold. Okay, so now can you guys guess what is going to be to the temperature of this water when we let it sit for about maybe 30 minutes? For sure, as we all know, for the hot water, right, if we let it be like this, okay, so eventually it will be colder than this. And as for the cold water, the temperature will increase. Maybe the temperature will be the same as the room temperature. And also as for the normal water, it will be the same. But eventually all of this water, they will be at equilibrium, which means the heat transfer from this glass towards the outside of the glass, and also the heat transfer from out of the glass into the glass will be the same. So eventually all of this water will be at equilibrium and will have the same temperature as the room temperature. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double-crossed me, girl, you're such a fake. What a shame, guess my you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double crossed me, girl, you're such a fake. What a shame, guess my lover was a snake. Pretty little liar, what you gonna say?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lina bin Daud. My matric number is FIS 21104091. So today I will do thermochemistry experiment. So today I have 3 types of water. First one is hot, normal and cold. So today we will measure the cold water temperature. Alright, as you can see, the thermometer said it is low. So it is from 20 to 0 Celsius. Okay, so let's check the first one. Okay, so you can see it say high. So the hot water is very high temperature, which is 40 and above. So because I'm using the boiling water, so the temperature is made from 70 to 100 degrees Celsius. And what about the middle one, the normal one? So we check first. Okay, it still say low. So we can conclude that the normal water is between 30 and below the normal temperature of human, because I'm using the health thermometer. So you can see that this 35. Okay, so our conclusion is we can say that all of types of water, all types of water will from boiling water and from the cold water will become the middle one, which is the normal temperature of water, because all of these types are these 2 types of water, which is boiling water, hot water and cold water, is not in equilibrium. So when it is in equilibrium, it will be at the normal temperature of room temperature. Okay, and then second, we can see that in this experiment, the first one, the hot water, the concept of exothermic, which is the energy was released by heat. Okay, and then the cold water is the experiment of endothermic, because the energy was absorbed by heat. So when we touch it, we can feel it is cold, and we touch this water, boiled water or hot water, it is hot. So that's all from me. Thank you.